Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites quickly: edition, administrative rights, and TPM status. Once confirmed, open settings right arrow privacy and security, right arrow device encryption or control panel, right arrow BitLocker. Make your first actionable choice now. Enable TPM-backed encryption or set group policy to allow password-only unlock. You need an external USB or Microsoft account option for the recovery key. Decide where you'll store it. This immediate setup gets now configure the encryption details. Select XDSAS 128 for performance or 256 for stronger security. You'll trade speed for resilience. Next, pick an unlock method. TPM alone is seamless. TPM plus PIN gives two-factor protection, and USB key works for legacy systems. Choose whether to encrypt just used space for speed or the entire drive for maximal coverage. Make sure to save the recovery key to a USB, printed copy, or your Microsoft account. These choices dictate both usability and protection long-term. Finish by starting the encryption and then patiently allow the process to complete. Do not power off mid-run. Once done, test that your system unlocks with the method you chose and validate that the recovery key opens the drive. If something goes wrong, BitLocker won't enable or you get errors. Check TPM status in UEFI, ensure group policy permits BitLocker without TPM if used, update storage drivers, and run chkdsk on the volume. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to a protected drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.